Pinay na mula po sa lahi ng mga pulis sa Pilipinas ang hinahangaan ngayon sa New Jersey matapos na ma-promote bilang kauna-unahang Pilipinang Police Sergeant ng City of Pasig. Atin siyang kilalanin sa pagpapatrol ni Don Tagala.
I would faithfully, impartially,
and justly perform all duties of the office of a police sergeant.
Ang Filipino-American na si Laila Cristobal ay naitala sa kasaysayan ng City of Pasig bilang kauna-unahang Asian American na na-promote bilang police sergeant.
I worked very hard to get this position. I studied very well. I did a lot of hard work in the police department.
Sa isang badge pinning ceremony sa Pasig City Hall, iginawad ni Mayor Alex Blanco ang rango ng police sergeant. Siya na ang highest-ranking Filipina police sa New Jersey.
She does her job and beyond was asked of her. So she's a role model for the Filipino community.
Ayon kay Mayor Blanco, malaki ang naitutulong ng pagkakaroon ng diversity o pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang lahi ng police officers, lalo na sa Pasig kung saan diverse din ang mga mamamayan dito.
So they understand the community. They understand and that kind of avoids conflicts between the police department and the community.
Nagtapos sa Fairleigh Dickinson University si Cristobal. Na-promote naman siya bilang detective sa Major Crimes Unit noong 2003. At sa taong 2010, na-assign naman si Cristobal bilang detective sa Juvenile Bureau, Tubong, Caloocan City si Cristobal na nanggaling sa pamilya ng mga pulis.
Since we were young, we wanted to become police officers, looking up to my father. And also my grandfathers were also police officers in the Philippines. So it basically runs in a family.
It's a rewarding feeling. So it's not a job for everyone. It's a dangerous job.
Mabibilang lang sa daliri ang mga babaeng pulis na nabigyan ng mataas na katungkulan sa state ng New Jersey. Kaya ang promosyon ni Cristobal bilang kauna-unahang Pilipinang sergeant sa Pasig Police Department, isa siya sa mga Pilipinong dapat ipagmalaki. Don Tagala, ABS-CBN News, Pasig, New Jersey.